Live from Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over Get Loot. So if you're looking for business funding, this might be a good product for you. So we're going to get right into it. Before we do, please consider subscribing. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd really appreciate it. Also, I just want to say real quick, I hope each and every one of you guys and your families have happy holidays and have a safe new year. So without further ado, let's get right into it. This is the site, Get Loot, but use my link in the description below. Why you want to use my link? Because it's going to go to the back office to my rep for fast processing rather than going to the main site and filling the application out. So let's get right into it. So for those that are looking for business funding, again, this might be right up your alley, all right? Loot, capital that pays you back. Unlock up to $250,000 today to fuel your business and earn cashback rewards along the way. You can apply now and your score is not affected. So your personal credit is not going to be affected. It's going to be a soft pull. Okay, just a simple request for you guys. Please stay until the end, because at the end, I'm going to tell you guys all the data points, everything that I found out. I spoke to the CEO, the founder, and the office manager. Up to $250,000 that you can get approved for. So it's like a fintech loan. They let you skip some payments of showing good payment history, and good payment history also will get you some bonuses, some like cash back. After you get approved, you'll get to see all those details and rewards. You can choose the best working capital option for your business. Now, keep in mind, this is a merchant cash advance. Most merchant cash advances, you're going to be going through, say, a National Business Capital, for instance, and they work with several different lenders. This is a direct lender. It's all in-house. The contract is actually through Loot. You pay Loot back. All right. So what's nice about that versus the other companies, the other lenders and underwriters, is you can build up a relationship with them and get better terms. Not only better terms, but you're going to be able to get longer payback methods. So typically a merchant cash advance is, say you take out, I don't know, let's just say $100,000. They fund that, they put it direct deposit in your business bank account. After that, then it's typically like a week later after you signed the contract and got the funds, you have to pay back. It's going to be a certain amount, either daily, Monday through Friday, a certain amount, and it's going to usually go 6 to 12 months terms, just depends. There's many factors, but you can get weekly terms as well. I did talk to the founder. They did say that after you pay back one loan, you can request for better terms, meaning they might be open to, say, biweekly payments. If you're interested in getting a merchant cash advance, this would be one that I would definitely consider. Why? Because, like I said, I always preach about the interbanking relationship. This is like interbanking because you're dealing directly with the lender, unlike some of these other ones out there, like say Fundura and all these different business loan websites. Those are just like brokers, and you never actually deal directly with the lender other than just signing the contract, and that's it. With Loot, you're going to be able to talk to everybody there, quite friendly. And once you're paying back, you can get better terms in the future. It's going to be cheaper, say on your points, what you're going to have to pay back, and you can get longer terms. And check out this, you guys. They're also offering lines of credit. It's not open quite yet, but you're going to be the first one in line to get the lines of credit once they start offering that here the next quarter or so. So if you get a merchant cash advance loan, once that's paid off, or say it's not paid off all the way, but you're showing good payment history, you might qualify for a line of credit. They're definitely going to offer the lines of credit to their current customers over those that aren't current customers. So just keep that in mind. I don't have much details on that, but I hope to have the founder coming on the channel probably the first week of January, I'm hoping for. Again, like I said, you can earn rewards with it, same day funds, no hard credit pull. We only do soft pulls that do not affect your credit score. High approval rate and low competitive fees. Payoff within 30 days. Your fees are outstanding reduced by 50%. That's great. So there's no prepayment penalties either. Unlike some other ones, there is prepayment penalties. Pay off the loan within 60 days and you get your fee reduction by 25%. Keep in mind, a lot of the typical merchant cash advance underwriters, they don't offer this. And if they do, it's usually within 30 days and it's not 50% reduced fees. That's it on here. Now, let me tell you the data points real quick. The data points for this is you need to be in business about 6 months at least. You might be able to get away with 4 to 5 months if you have strong enough revenue. But what's cool about Loot, unlike some of these other merchant cash advance and working capital underwriters, is they typically will require a higher monthly gross revenue, business revenue. With Loot, they actually require only 25,000 over 12 months. All right. So really, if you think about it, you only need to be basically earning gross if you're a fairly new business and you're only earning like 3,000 a month, then you would qualify possibly for the loan. So you're going to qualify for a higher limit, of course, if you're doing higher gross per month. But typically, most underwriters require at least five to $10,000 minimum gross revenue per month to get approved. However, Loot is not like that. Loot does not require that much. So with Loot, kind of a game changer because they are literally the only underwriter that I know that doesn't have that high requirement of gross business income per month to qualify. Like I said, they're only going to require you to show that you are able to be earning gross on average about 25,000 per year. So keep that in mind. So if one month you did say 7,000, the next month, it depends what type of business you're in. If it's like up and down, depending on the month, that's why they look on an average for the last 6 months, the last 12 months, and that's how they qualify you and approve you. So you definitely have a better chance to get approved with them than you would say other ones. So if you've applied for merchant cash advance or business funding in the past, and got denied, I would definitely try Loot. The link will be in the description. It's a soft pull and they just look at your bank statement. You connect your business bank account using Plaid, and that's it. And then they get back to you usually within 24 hours and give you an offer of options. So this is the page, as you can see here. The link is unlock.getloot.com/get business credit in partnership with Get Business Credit. Unlock up to 100,000 today. I know on their main page it says 250,000. It's 100,000. Just kind of depends, but they will do up to 250,000. But up to 100,000 today to fuel your business, earn cash back rewards along the way. Apply now, as you can see in my face there. They just put that on there. But yeah, so you can see here, they also, like I said, are going to be offering lines of credit. Check everything out. All right. So all you have to do is just hit apply now. First, you're going to have to put in like an email and password just to kind of make an account with them. And then you're going to put in your ballpark of approximately how much do you want. All right. So let's just say we want 25,000. All right. Continue. Choose a category. What do you need the funds for? Working capital, payroll, taxes, marketing. So working capital, equipment, inventory, renovation. And then just tell them a little bit of information. It is optional. You don't have to, but you can give them a little bit more information. Like you want to expand your business, so then you're just going to hit continue. And then you put your approximate annual revenue. So let's just say it's only, say, 50,000, right? See how it says annual revenue must be over 25,000. I mean, that's really cool because a lot of these merchant cash advance or underwriters, they, really require you to be doing over 10,000 per month. So that would be like a minimum requirement of 120,000 a year. See, but I've been in business for at least 6 months or more. Keep in mind, did say earlier that if you have a lot of gross revenue coming in for the last, say, 4 months and you've only been in business for 4 or 5 months, they could approve you. Just go and put 6 months and then kind of explain that to them and just see. The worst thing they can do is tell you no. Don't just give up on anything, always try as long as you meet the revenue requirement. Then you can't be in cannabis, firearms, or nonprofit businesses. Then this is all pretty self-explanatory. All right. Business phone number, website, optional, incorporation date, all that, entity type and industry type. All right. Then you're going to hit continue. And then it's going to go to your business bank account where you connect using Plaid and then a little bit personal information about you. It will ask you for your social, but it is not going to be a hard pull. So make sure that you have your Experian, I believe, is who they pull. your personal credit, but like I said, it's going to be only a soft pull. So make sure it's unlocked for a seamless process of getting approved. Then you're going to hit continue. And depending on when you filled the application, they could get back to you same day. They have underwriters, I believe 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. But at the very least, you're going to have a rep get in touch with you right away. All right. So, anyways, if you used Get Loot before, please put it in the comment section. I'd really appreciate it. Give me any feedback. And next month, we will have the founder on the channel. Okay. So, with all that being said, you guys take care again. Have happy holidays. Be safe and take care. Bye bye.